Uploading a sound onto Audacity. Now I wanted the sound of a car horn, so I've gone to Google and searched for car horn MP3. If I click here, on one of the many websites that are available, I can see that there's loads of different car horns and you can listen to them by clicking on them. And when you found one that you like, you can download it here as an MP3. So you click that button, which takes you to this website, which plays here. All I'm going to do is copy this. I'm going to go back to Audacity and I'm going to import audio. And I'm going to paste the website there and open. And then it plays on Audacity for you there.